I said, oh fudge, oh fudge, oh fudge. I feel like if I see like a saltwater crocodile just chilling over here, that is gonna be a little bit scary. If I see a saltwater crocodile, running as fast as I possibly can. Oh. Pretty nice. I have sandals on, so I'm good. Ooh, the water's freezing. Alright, want to see what's under this rock right here? Decent sized crab. Look at that! What is that? What is that thing? That does not look like a crab, but it most likely is. What is that? What's under here? What's under here? More crabs. Ow. Now over here. Let's see what's under here. Anything? No, nothing? Okay. There has to be something under this rock. Nothing? Okay. So we're just like out at the ocean area. I'm not scared. I doubt there's gonna be any salt water alligators in here or anywhere. I'm afraid I'm gonna step on a crab. I don't want that to happen. Or like a water snake. Anything under here? Hold on, wait. No, just a mini-sized crab. Oh. Ugh. Nope. Whew, saltwater fingers. Nothing. Nope. I'm pretty sure I looked through this. Nothing surprisingly. Huge rock right here. Ow. No. Not this one. Like one crab. It feels like lightning outside and I'm just chilling in the ocean. Sorry, my left hand's like being hit this week really hard. Rocks. Come on, something cool. Oh. Kind of big crab. Not big enough. There's definitely something in there. There's a dead, big, huge crocodile. I'm gonna pick up like a long shell so I can like do something. Oh. Gotta check under this one. Nope. Oh. Anything under there? Oh, got myself soaking. I'm gonna try my best. Just enjoying nature life. You know what I mean?
I want to go sit on the spiral.
Oh, is this spinny one?
Huh?
Is this spinny thing?
Yeah.
Alright. Part of my new bike I got. No, we're just out here at like what, 8 o'clock at night. Just chilling. Having a good time. River Rock Park thing. Pretty nice, pretty nice. Okay. Yeah, just enjoying nature. We came here just to like, hang out with my family and stuff. So I can bring my bike because we have a truck. Yeah. We're here. Enjoying nature life in Riverwalk Park, Port Orange, Florida. At nighttime, seems like barely any people here. That's why we probably go most of the time. I'm sitting down on a spiral. And if you want me to go down it, I'd have to hold like 2 hands for it. Try to make. I gotta set my bike down here. Welcome. To Riverwalk Park. Yeah, I'm down the hill. This is the hill up here. Sister's sitting up there. I'm boy. Okay, I'll shut up. I'll actually shut up. God, bro, it's lightning up there. Damn scared. I just saw lightning right above.
What?
I said, damn scared. I saw lightning right above us.
Cool.
Go for you, I'm happy and healthy. Yeah. Alright, we could just tell my mom.
Huh?
We could just tell our mom.
Why are you recording?
Video. YouTube. Alright, well, I'm gonna go to the big dog over there. Okay, I'm gonna go down the spiral. I'm gonna go over to the park area. Alright, watch me go down the spiral. Sorry for this shaky, but so we're going down this huge hill. Ready? One freaking hand, bro. This huge hill. Woo! Okay, this is hard to do this with one hand because you have to turn, baby. Gotta go like a clown, baby. Turn, baby. Just gotta go through your mind. Just go through your mind. Okay, stop. I know you heard the squeaky squeaks. Squeaky squeakies. Told you long ago on the road. I didn't even know a road. Gotta go to the I'm 12 years old and I'm still playing at the park. That's kind of embarrassing. But who really cares? I'm still a kid. It's really hard doing this with my left hand. Bro, there's a slide, guys. There's a freaking slide. I'm really sorry. Kind of slipped on the slide. Boy wants to be Spider-Man. I can't. Don't fall, don't fall. Hi. Enjoy nature. Quality is not zooming in. Yeah, let's go down the slide. I feel like a kid already. Oh god, this is, I can't even slide down this thing. Look. Oh my god, my feet are dirty. Wow. So fun. Oh. Enjoy nature outside. There's a nice dragon head. Yo, tell me if you see anything in here. Okay, then there's a spider web all over my camera. Beautiful rock I can climb on. So high up. I feel like I'm making the kids freaking. There's a guy watching me right now. He's freaking staring at me. I thought I just saw you. His feet. The guy was staring at me like a creep. Probably is a creep. Tika, pika. Did you have? No. Go, 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 go. Oh, flip.